Hello, welcome to a demo video for Lost Freight. My name is Reed. Alongside my partner Jake, we've constructed a platform for carriers to create profiles and share real-time and critical information about their companies with potential and current customers. So I'm going to walk you through what that looks like, what we've actually constructed. First things first, I'm going to switch to dark mode because that's what I like best. Um, Next, we got to create a user account. That's the first step here. You can use your Google account. That's going to be easiest. You won't need to verify your email. I'm going to use my email and password here that I've now input, and I will need to verify my email. I'm going to agree to all the terms. Great. I've created that. You'll notice this menu changed from a login button to a dashboard button. So I'm going to go to the dashboard, but it's going to say you can't do anything until you verify your email. So I pulled my email up, press the button, and great, we're verified. Now with my user account, I can create a carrier profile. Great, with your DOT number. So I can press create profile here, or I can press it up there, enter my DOT number. I've got Food Trucking, that's who I'm making an account for. I'm gonna, obviously it pulls back your safer data just to confirm that this is the account or carrier you're looking to make an account for. We're gonna create our profile, we're gonna be taken to the payment screen. We've got 3 tiers. The tiers are all about how many trucks you have. Okay, if you've got 2 trucks, which is what Food Trucking has, we're going to go here. You can save 20% by paying yearly, so you can toggle that change right here. Switch between them. All right, so we're going to subscribe to the monthly middle tier here. We're going to enter some fake payment data. Don't bother trying to use this card because it's not real. I'm in test mode. All right, so we're paying 5-1, and then we're gonna pay. All right, so once this is complete, we are going to be dumped back onto our main page here. So we've got the sidebar over here. Each one of these sections corresponds to a section on your public profile. Except for this account tab, this is where you manage your billing and your email and your password, yada yada, and you can switch your theme back and forth here too. So we're going to start with general profile information here. At the top, we've got your safer data. That's immutable. That's not something that you can change here. That's automatically pulled in for you. We've got general contact info here too. So we're going to do a general email here for Food Trucking, dispatch@foodtrucking.com. We pull back whatever phone number Safer has for you, we pull back as well. If you want to change that, feel free. So I'm going to change this to our generic phone number here. If you have a website, great. If you don't, that's fine too. Same with scat code. Company description is whatever you want it to be. So Food Trucking specializes in hauling penguins, stranded penguins in Antarctica. So that's cool. Whatever your company description is, whatever you want this to be, you can put as much text in here as you want. There you go. We're going to hit save. That's all ready. You'll notice in the top right, this is a link to your actual live profile. We're going to get back to that at the end. So we'll go to the contact section. This is where you'll add a contact for each specific contact of your company, right? So you might have a billing person, the dispatchers, owners, safety people, salespeople, yada yada. So I'm going to add myself, and I'm going to add my partner Jake. I'm extension 1, read at foodtrucking.com. I am a owner, contact for any high-level concerns. Great. Okay, so we hit save. So now it's now created. So you'll notice I'll be able to edit it if I want here, save that, or just go back. So let's add one for Jake real quick. Extension 2, Jake at foodtrucking.com. And let's make Jake a dispatcher. Contact for any truck questions. Great, save. On to the next thing, equipment. So this is where you share information about your equipment, specific info like truck number, trailer number, model number, VIN number, model year, that sort of stuff. We're asking for VINs because lots of carriers are telling us that brokers are frequently asking for VIN numbers now. Apparently there's been a lot of fraud going around, so people are really crossing their T's and dotting their I's. We're making this easy for you to input once, and then anyone who goes to your profile can get the information they need, including VIN numbers. So Food Trucking's got 2 trucks, 2 trailers, so we're going to go ahead and add these here. We got a 2018 Peterbilt we're going to add. We've got another one here. We'll make this truck number 2, and another 2018. And then we've got 2 trailers here. So let's add the 2 trailers by going to the trailer section. We've got all these different equipment types here. We've also got specialized, power only, sprinter vans, that sort of stuff. But food trucking has got 2 utility dry vans. So let's make those real quick. Another trailer and trailer 2, VIN 2013. Great, we've got that. Okay, now we're done with equipment. Same thing. If you want to edit it, go about it by pressing edit. Capacity. Capacity is what kind of this is all about. The carriers share their capacity in really kind of old school ways these days. Truck lists, frequent phone calls from brokers, yada yada. So we've created this real-time capacity board where carriers can take the equipment that they just created and they can create capacity postings, which are basically saying, we've got this truck in this trailer available on this date in this city. This is our capacity. So that you'll notice that it pulls the trucks we just added from the equipment section here. So we've got truck number 1, we've got trailer number 1 available for hire on the 27th in Chico, California, looking to go to whatever, Dallas, Texas. 43K on the weight. That's the max weight we want to haul. This truck cannot haul more than 43K. Will not haul beer. Whatever note you want to put. So we've created a capacity posting for that guy. Let's do truck number 2. Let's say they're available for hire on the 27th as well in Portland, and they want to go to Miami. Let's go across the country, baby. Let's say we want 500 miles in Miami. We'll also haul 44K. Needs to go home to Miami. Do not offer anything but Miami. So nobody will offer anything else. All right, so now we've created these, and these postings are more or less supposed to be permanent. The intention here isn't to frequently delete these. It's really just about keeping it up to date as soon as you move it somewhere, update it, and that way anyone who looks at your profile will always have an up-to-date picture of your capacity. So let's go ahead and go to the profile, see what it looks like. So you'll notice go back to the profile tab. I press this link right up here, brings us to our profile where we can now see everything we just did. So we've got our real-time capacity with our trucks and our trailers, and we've got our contacts, we've got our equipment, we've got our description, we've got safer data that automatically gets pulled in. Share this profile with everybody. Anyone who wants to work with you, they come here and they get all the info they need about you. Specifically and most importantly, your real-time capacity. So let's mimic that a little bit. I'm food trucking, I'm copying my link, I'm sharing it with, imagine this tab's like a broker or something. This broker now has access to my capacity at any point in time from any device. Important to note here that this whole thing is totally mobile friendly, so you can do this all on your phone. We're going to go back to our dashboard. So imagine this window is food trucking. We're going to manage our capacity. So this broker over here just booked me a load from Chico to Dallas, right? So now let's say on the 30th, I'm going to have a truck in Dallas, and I want to send them to Los Angeles. So we're going to send them back. You'll notice that the broker who's been looking at this profile doesn't have to refresh, doesn't have to do anything. This all updates in real time. Everything changes in real time. So let's update the notes. Let's just delete the note, all right? That's gone. So the note's gone. This is just a one-stop shop for any broker or shipper that you work with. Send them a link. They'll always know what you got. No more sending truck lists multiple times a day. No more a bunch of texts about capacity. This is your one-stop shop. Again, you can edit everything here. Really keep this up to date, because the more information you're readily handing over and making available to your broker partners and shipper partners, the better off you're going to be. The carriers that share the most info are the easiest ones to work with, and the ones that are a joy to work with as a carrier rep specifically. That's based on my experience. So keep this up to date. Now you've got your one-stop shop. This is a totally public profile. Anyone with this link can go on it. They don't need to log in. They don't need to do anything. This is yours to kind of do what you want with. Appreciate you sticking with me here through this demo. We're really looking to get carrier feedback here, so feel free to reach out. If you need help being set up, let me know. More than willing to do that. Appreciate your time.